I'm Ajwad. On this channel, I'm breaking down everything about AI, the real stuff, how it works, how to communicate with AI effectively, how to build workflows with the help of AI, how to make money with the help of AI, how to be productive and time efficient with the help of AI. So I'm going to teach you AI the way I learned. Simple, practical, no fancy wording, no gatekeeping, because most of the people on the social media out there are misguiding you on purpose. They are using fancy wording to look smart, they are using big words to gatekeep the knowledge, and basically they don't want you to understand the real game of AI. But I'm going to talk about everything in AI: how to make money with the help of AI, how to build workflows with the help of AI, how to be time efficient, how to be work efficient, how to make your life easier with the help of AI. So, this is your go to channel if you want to level up your game, if you want to finally get it, finally make some money with the help of AI, and finally become a master in AI. Stick around.